Hello guys, this is Glenn from Sydney CBD Repair Center, and today we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that's gonna get a discount screen. What's that? So first thing we're gonna do is try to evaluate what's going on with this device, and it's got a cracked back cover and a cracked display, and David is gonna use discount screen. That's gonna be a screen that's not really of AAA quality, if I can say so myself. It might be from a used device that has been pulled out and will be used for this one, or maybe it's a brand new device but it's got some defects, minor defects. So another note, save your money. So discount screen is gonna be cheaper, and of course we're gonna heat up the device to melt the adhesive at the back. We're gonna do this very nicely because we already taped up the back of the device. This is our discount screen, which I think looks brand new. So this is the tricky part. We have taped up the device because if you don't do this, when you try to pry on and put more pressure on the back cover, it's gonna shatter into a million pieces, and this prevents that. I'm gonna remove it. And now we can access the internal components of this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I'm going to remove this wireless charging module. I'm going to detach the display and the battery connectors. We're going to attach the replacement display's cable and reattach the battery. We're gonna try to turn this on. Hopefully the battery has some charge left in it, but in this case it's fully drained, so 0%. We're gonna recharge this for a bit. It's gonna take a long time for sure if it's 0%. You can see there David has a lot of troubleshooting to do, and the battery is gonna charge. It's gonna take a while, so since we have seen an indicator that it's charging, and then David will just continue with the disassembly. Gonna remove the small but very powerful main board, and now we're gonna remove also the daughter board at the bottom. Being a Galaxy device, this is a high-end one, and all the parts just gets removed easily. Very repairable. And now we're just gonna transfer everything to the new display. It's just as quick as that. Daughter board is gonna be installed next. Not a lot of drama when you try to fix a Galaxy Note or a Galaxy S high-end series. We can now safely turn this on, and David has forgotten that the device is still drained, so I'm just gonna put all the major components back in, and then we're gonna test it. Gonna charge this. It's gonna take a while to reach at least 1%. Another troubleshooting. Phone doesn't seem to want to charge. There's a rogue screw inside. That's gonna be an alarming prospect if David didn't catch that, but he's a Samsung Galaxy expert here. So here you go. The phone is attempting to recharge the battery. 1%. Look at that. It took like 10 minutes to just reach 1%, but we have performed a lot of procedures during the time. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G. At 2%, you can now see that the device can boot itself up, and it's 9 in the morning. Phone is starting, and voila, it's working. You can see the camera is also functional. Back cameras, David. Front cameras are also working, and there's a lot of pending updates, and this is smartphone that's been asleep for a very long time indeed. I try to let it charge even more. Put back all the screws, tighten everything up, and we're gonna close it up, and we're gonna be done. So discount screen, save a lot of money. Galaxy Note 20 Ultra screens are very, very expensive, brand new. So this one is gonna work well for the client. It's a win-win situation. David has shown himself worthy of the name, the Galaxy expert. And the back cover will do just fine for now. Hopefully this can be replaced later on. But this Galaxy Note 20 Ultra will live on for many, many years. And thanks for joining, guys. We'll see you again next time. Take care of yourself. And we are done. Cheers.
If you want your smartphone fixed for a very reasonable price, you may contact Sydney CBD Repair Center. We also provide mail-in repair services for customers outside of Australia or Sydney. Just message us so we can arrange the shipping of your device.